Assalamualaikum, my dear students of nursery class. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be fine, safe and healthy. Students, it's your English book. Its name is My Book of Letters and Sounds. My Book of Letters and Sounds. Kindly take out your book and take out page number 12. Take out page number 12. Okay. So today we are going to learn a new alphabet. It's E-A. What is the letter? E-A. It is the letter E-A. Capital E-A, small letter E-A. Understand, students? Say the sound and trace the letter. Trace with me. Start from this red dot. Draw a straight line. Then a line like this, and like this. It will become capital E-A. And small letter E starts from this side and like this. Okay, it's a small letter E, it's capital letter E. Now look at the vocabulary of E-A which is given on our page. First thing is egg. What is it? Egg. All of you like egg. All of you want to eat egg in your breakfast. So egg is a very necessary part of our breakfast. Okay, it's very healthy food. So egg, E-A, egg. Look here, small letter E. It's begin with the small letter E. So E-A, egg, E-A, egg. Second picture is elephant. Elephant. Who likes elephant? Anybody who have seen the elephant? Yes, we have seen elephant in movies, in zoo and in cartoons. So this is an elephant. E-elephant. E-A elephant. Okay. Third picture is envelope. What is it? Envelope. Envelope is a case made of paper, and we put our money, we put our letters, our applications, anything made of paper, we can put it in the envelope. Okay, so it is an envelope. What is it? Envelope. E-A, envelope. Read it again. Egg, elephant, envelope. Now look at the fourth picture. What is it? Engine. What is it? It's an engine. Yes, engine is a very important part of any vehicle, because no vehicle can move without engine. So engine is a very important, very necessary part of any vehicle. Okay, so it is an engine. Read with me. Engine. Okay, look here. What is it? Elbow. The middle part of the arm. The middle part of the arm, or the mid joint of the arm, is called elbow. Look here in my hand. This is elbow. Look here. This one is elbow. So E-A, elbow. And the last is eggplant. Eggplant. All of you have seen the eggplant. It's a good vegetable and we eat it. All of you eat it. So this is an eggplant. Read it once more time. E-A, egg. E-A, elephant. E-A, envelope. E-A, engine. E-A, elbow, and E-A, eggplant. Okay, students. Now look here, the next page. Page number 13. What is the question? Identify and circle the objects starting with sound E-A. So we will search all those things which we have read on this page. We will search them on this page and we will circle them. Number one is egg. So where is egg? This one is egg. So circle it. Very good. Number two is elephant. Where is elephant? Search, search, search. Yes, this one is elephant. It's a toy elephant. So we will circle the elephant. Number third is envelope. Where is envelope? Look at the table. Yes, this one is envelope. Very good, students. Number fourth is engine. Yes, the boy is playing with the toy engine. So circle it. Then the elbow. So you will circle the boy's elbow. And then the eggplant. Look at the window. here is a eggplant. Okay, here is an eggplant, so we will circle it. Okay, now look at the bottom of your page. Circle letter E-F from the given words. You have to find the E in these words. First of all, E-A is here, then E-A is here. Now look at the next word. Where is E-A? Who will tell me? Yes, there is E-A, and there is E-A, and here is E-A. Very good. Okay students, learn this letter E-A, its vocabulary, and do this page by yourself. Take care. Allah Hafiz.